Hi, I'm Dr. Manan Gandhi and I'm going to give you Ayurvedic home remedies for hiccups today. Many people suffer from chronic hiccups and the hiccups do not subside on their own. So how do you tackle these chronic hiccup problems? Ayurveda is a very good and a very magical remedy for this. There are two remedies. The first one, make water saline. Add a lot of salt into water until that water is saturated. This water, if you put 3 drops in each nostril during the daytime, within a matter of 30 seconds the hiccup will be permanently cured. Within a matter of 30 seconds the hiccup will be gone. Another home remedy for this is that if you add onion juice, if you smash the onion and remove the juice out of it and you put that into water and concentrate it, again if you put the drops into the nostrils, 3 drops each, the hiccups, chronic hiccups will also be cured. Thank you. This is Dr. Manan Gandhi and my contact details are given.